I am Edward Epamor from BSMT2 Y1-5. In the case GR number 222430, August 30, 2017, the Supreme Court of the Philippines dealt with a dispute involving maritime employment. The petitioners are Transglobal Maritime Agency Incorporated, Goodwood Ship Management Pte. Ltd. and Michael S. Daniel. The respondent is Vincent D. Chua Jr. Let's apply utilitarianism, an ethical framework that focuses on the greatest good for the greatest number to this case. Utilitarianism evaluates actions based on their outcomes. In this case, the primary concern is whether the employment practices of Transglobal Maritime Agency and Goodwood Ship Management maximize the well-being of their employees. Ensuring fair compensation and proper treatment for Vicente D. Chua Jr. aligns with the utilitarian goal of maximizing overall happiness and reducing suffering among workers. The Supreme Court decision will be assessed based on whether it leads to fair and just outcomes for the employees and whether it promotes ethical treatment within the industry. If the court's ruling ensures that workers' rights are protected and that they receive appropriate benefits and compensation, it would align with utilitarian principles by enhancing the welfare of workers in similar situations. From a utilitarian perspective, the ruling's impact on the broader maritime industry is also relevant. A decision that enforces fair practices can lead to better working conditions for all employees in the sector, thereby benefiting a large number of people. Applying the utilitarian ethical framework to GR number 222430 suggests that the Supreme Court's decision should be evaluated based on its impact on employee well-being and fairness in the industry. If the ruling promotes fair compensation and proper treatment, it aligns with utilitarian principles by contributing to the overall good and reducing worker suffering.